everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my famous Bombay Biryani. It's perfect for all occasions, events and especially for family dinner. If you want to learn how to make this, keep watching. Okay, so first you want to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and ghee into the hot pan. Then you want to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. After the oil has been really hot, you want to add 2 large thinly sliced onions. Now just stir your onions on a medium to high heat till it goes brown. Now that my onions have been browned, I'm going to add 4 large sliced tomatoes and give that a stir. Once you can see that the oil has been separated, you can add your chicken or your lamb into the onion and tomato mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm going to use laziza Bombay Biryani spice packet, the whole packet, into the mixture along with my spices as well. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. And now just give your mixture a good stir before we go into the next step for around 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add around 3 to 4 sliced baby potatoes. It depends on your liking on how much potato you would want to use in your biryani. And along with the potatoes, I'm going to add 1 full cup of plain Greek yogurt. And just give that a good stir for around 5 to 10 minutes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 4 sliced green chillis. It depends how spicy you like your biryani. These are really hot chilies, so I added 4. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of kewra water to give my biryani an essence smell. And now you're going to let your curry simmer for 45 minutes to an hour on medium to high heat with occasional stirring. Now I'm going to show you how to make the rice. I have soaked my rice for 30 minutes before boiling and I'm using tilda basmati rice. Now you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, a 1/4 teaspoon of black seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of green cumin and 4 cardamom pods, and put it in your rice. Now you're also going to add a teaspoon of kewra water just to give your rice as well essence smell. You can do this, it's optional, but it does make a difference. You're going to also add a teaspoon of salt as well. And now let your rice boil for around 10 to 15 minutes or when it's 80% cooked. So now my rice is done. I have drained out the water and I'm going to take out any cardamom pods that I find. You could just take out the cardamom pods and leave the rest. So now for the decoration of your biryani, I'm going to be using red food colouring powder mixed with water and also orange food colouring powder. It gives the biryani a very more traditional look and also it looks very appealing as well. You're also going to need a 1/4 cup of ghee for the decoration as well. So now my chicken curry is ready and my rice is ready, and now I'm going to do the layering of the biryani just like a trifle. The first layer is going to be chicken and then I'm going to layer the rice, and I'm going to put it around the corner just to block the heat of the curry, and so the rice can soak up all the juice from the meat. Now I'm going to use fried onions on top of the rice, and I'm using ready to use packet. You can make it yourself as well by caramelizing the onions in a pan, or you could just get an already made in a packet. Along with that, I'm going to put my ghee for the decoration as well, which the rice soaks up the flavorings and also the essence as well. And then I'm going to put dots of food coloring along the sides of the rice as well. And now you just want to repeat that same process again. And now for the finishing touches, I'm using a handful of chopped coriander and a handful of chopped mint. And now you want to cover your biryani with foil tightly with the lid on top and let it sit on low heat for around 15 minutes until the rice is done. And now my Bombay Biryani is ready to eat. Please like, share, subscribe and comment down below for more videos like this. Thank you. Goodbye.